Video presentation using Cam Studio by Mrs. Dipali Jagdaye. Subject English, Grammar, Idol, University of Mumbai. We will study about tense. There are three types of tense. First is present tense, second is past tense, and third one is future tense. There are subtypes of tense: present tense, past tense, future tense. In present tense there are four types. First is simple present tense, then second is continuous present tense, third is perfect present tense, and fourth is perfect continuous present tense. In past tense there are also four types: simple past tense, second is continuous past tense, third is perfect past tense, fourth is perfect continuous past tense. In future tense there are also four types: simple future tense, continuous future tense, perfect future tense, and fourth is perfect continuous future tense. First, simple present tense. Structure of simple present tense is subject plus verb plus object. Example of this tense is I write a letter, second is I eat a mango. Then second is continuous present tense. First structure of continuous present tense is subject plus am or is or are plus ving plus object. Here ving means verb plus ing. Example of continuous present tense is I am writing a letter, second is I am eating a mango. Then third is perfect present tense. Structure of perfect present tense is subject plus have or has plus v3 plus object. Example of this tense is I have written a letter, then second is I have eaten a mango. Then perfect continuous present tense. Structure of perfect continuous present tense is subject plus have or has plus been plus ving plus object. Example of this tense is I have been writing a letter, then I have been eating a mango. Then next tense is past tense. First type is simple past tense. Structure of simple past tense is subject plus v2 plus object. Example of this tense is I wrote a letter, then second is I ate a mango. Continuous past tense. Structure of continuous past tense is subject plus was or were plus ving plus object. Example of this tense is I was writing a letter, then second is I was eating a mango. Then next is perfect past tense. Structure of perfect past tense is subject plus had plus v3 plus object. Example of this tense is I had written a letter, then second is I had eaten a mango. Then next is perfect continuous past tense. Structure of perfect continuous past tense is subject plus had plus been plus ving plus object. Example of this tense is I had been writing a letter, then second is I had been eating a mango. Then next is future tense. First type is simple future tense. Structure of simple future tense is subject plus shall or will plus main verb plus object. Example of this tense is I shall write a letter, then second is I shall eat a mango. Continuous future tense. Structure of continuous future tense is subject plus shall be or will be plus ving plus object. Example of this tense is I shall be writing a letter, second is I shall be eating a mango. Then next is perfect future tense. Structure of perfect future tense is subject plus shall or will plus have plus v3 plus object. Example of this tense is I shall have written a letter, then second is I shall have eaten a mango. Next is perfect continuous future tense. Structure of perfect continuous future tense is subject plus shall or will plus have been plus ving plus object. Example of this tense is I shall have been writing a letter, then next is I shall have been eating a mango. Thus all these tense and they have their own structure, and all these sentences also have their own structure. Thus we have completed here tense, all 12 tense. Thank you. Thus we have completed here present